In this video, I will show you how to download and install a WebPad in Windows 11. If you want to download and install WebPad, watch this video till end. For downloading WebPad, you have to open Google Chrome. When you open Google Chrome, you have to search WebPad, then pad. When you search WebPad, here find WebPad audio editor. Click this. When you search WebPad, here you'll find WebPad audio editor. Then you have to scroll down, and when you scroll down, here you'll find audio editing software, sound, music, voice, and MP3. Download now. WebPad download now. Click this link. When you click this link, here you'll find download now option. Click download now button. When you click download now button, you have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, you have to click save. And our file is downloading. We have to wait. When you press Ctrl plus J in keyboard, here you can see your file that is downloading. Next, we will install it. And we have just downloaded a WebPad in Windows 11. Now we can install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here I am going Windows Explorer. Here you can see WebPad. And for installing, right click on it, then click open. Then click yes. After clicking yes, here you have to I accept the license agreement. Then click skip all. And you can see WebPad logo. It means we have just downloaded and installed WebPad in Windows 11. Now we can use it for our purpose. I hope this video helped you. If you have any query, ask in comment box.